Hey, this is Chris, the owner of Simmons Landscape and Irrigation here in Northwest Ohio, and we're all about transparency here, so I'd like to take a moment to answer some frequently asked questions about irrigation installation and design. All right, so sometimes folks ask us, how much am I going to invest in this irrigation system? And the truth is, it really depends. I mean, we've done commercial projects that are in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, all the bells and whistles. A typical yard here in Northwest Ohio is going to run between $50,000 and $20,000, and that's going to be right around $1,000 to $1,500 a square foot. For residential properties, we're looking at somewhere between 15 to 20. That's going to be a typical lot in the 12,000 to 15,000 square foot range. And then something in the smaller front yard sort of space is going to be right around $6,500. A good fit for an irrigation system is someone that has, for years and years, or potentially even just through the summer, struggled with dragging hoses around their yard, constantly fighting with wet spots, dry spots, spots that are watered too much, spots that are watered too little. If you want to gain control of your time, your Saturdays, and your sanity, an irrigation system might be right for you. So sometimes we're asked, how long is it going to take to install my irrigation system? And again, it depends on a lot of factors. But the most simple answer is generally within a week and oftentimes less. What is it going to look like when you come out to design this irrigation system for my space? And we're going to look at a few things. The first is, how much water can your house provide, or well, if you're using a well. We're also going to look at the space itself and figure out how many sprinkler heads are going to be needed to fill the area for proper coverage. Once we have those two things together, we start creating a plan that is tailored just to your space. How much am I going to have to do for maintenance once this is in the ground? And that's a great question. And it really does depend, but we recommend at least a spring maintenance startup where we check all the sprinkler heads, and a fall shutdown so that you know that your system's protected for winter.